Removing the rear bumper on the second generation V40. Now to remove the bumper, you've got 5 T25 Torx in each wheel arch. Two more T25 Torx screws underneath. Now you've removed all the fixings, you can start pulling the bumper away from the car, starting at the wheel arch and following it up to the light. On the driver's side, you've got the wiring harness, and then do the same on the other side of the car. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. For more videos on this car and many others, please check out my channel and subscribe.